Hello and welcome back to the Hourglass Watch channel. Please help support the channel by subscribing and also by liking this video. Thank you. In today's video, I have this Casio men's watch which has a shatter-resistant plastic window lens with a resin band. The watch features a high-performance and durable resin case with an analog display. You also get Casio's strong resin 20mm wide bracelet with a buckle clasp. It is water resistant to 100 meters with upper and lower wire protectors. The specs of this watch are: the case diameter is 44.6 millimeters, case thickness is 11.6 millimeters, the dial is black, the clasp type is a buckle. You get a date and day display at 3 o'clock. Water resistance is 100 meters. The movement is a quartz crystal movement for precise and accurate timekeeping. All Casios come with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Enjoy the rest of the watch shots of this Casio men's watch. It really will help me continue making watch reviews if you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.